Holy smokes. It's already warm and it's like 7:30 in the morning. Man. Hadn't really been working. I've been slowed down, man. I ain't complaining, but my checking account is complaining because everything seems to be breaking. Get this beast fired up. Man, I tell you, got a subscriber talking about sending me some deals for these doors. What's up? He said, man, I sure would like to sponsor you some door openers. I said, bring it on. Bring it. Just for the record, if your alternator ever goes out in a Nissan like this, pay the money. Just pay the money, man. Just pay the money. This thing was all the way down off in there. Had to take the air compressor loose. And then it's way up in there. It's just a nightmare. And $350. $350, guys. I got a guy. You got a guy? You gotta have to have a guy. Whew. So I'm gonna run this over there to him, see if he can fix it. If not, I'll have to go pay the $350. Why is $350 such a cool word? $350. Guess because small block Chevrolet. What's up? You want to go with me? Come on, let's go. This is my boy. That's my boy. You can get these stickers on moonshinergarage.com. $5. Help support the channel. How many of y'all still got your small engine repairs, your starter, your alternator? Guys, when I was growing up, they were on every corner. Those guys ain't around no more. We just settle for rebuilt Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Japan, whatever. We just settle for all that stuff, and it's made super cheap. We go down to AutoZone, we buy it, it's remanned. It's half price. You got a 50-50 chance that it works. And some of this stuff, like on this alternator right here, I googled it. It's like $1,200 to change this alternator. I was like, nope, I can do that. It did take me 2.5 hours to get it off the car, but I'll be dang if I put some kind of Chinese reman something on there. I'm either going to put a new OEM part, or thank goodness I still got a guy that I can take this thing down to that'll rebuild it right there in front of me. And with good parts, he wouldn't use nothing from over the waters. No. You love America? You just love me. That's what's happening with TJ's truck. This is our third air conditioner. They work about a week, then they start sounding something awful. Every one of them I put a reman on there. But it was on the top of the motor. Old 350 is easy to change, but I gotta redo it. It's making noise right now. So as soon as I get Mama's car fixed, I'm gonna go and pay to get a new air conditioner put on there. Right now, they have to turn it off when they slow down. It's not always what it seems here. Gotta pull back into the money laundering store. That's all this place is, dude. I've been here 13 years. They remodel it about every 4 or 5 months. True Value, donut shop, boot store, gas station. You don't ever know what you're gonna get when you get down here. It's insane. They just lay tile over tile. They just build walls over walls. It don't matter. That wall right there has been 4 different things. It used to not be that thick. It's like bulletproof now. I would say that I'm gonna stop complaining about this store, but they got that Red Bull up in there. You gotta eat firearms, drugs, grenades, dead bodies, anything in your car you need to know about? Can I see your ID? That's not the saddest face you've ever seen. Oh my God, dog. What's wrong with you? And I was like, and at the parts store, that bad boy was $300. So I told Mom, I was like, it's so hard to get off. I said, I'm gonna take it to my guy over here because I don't want to put one on there that ain't no good if it took me 3 hours to get it off.
Yeah.
And I don't trust them even testing it. You know what I mean?
I know some of the PCMs, they work kind of crazy. You know?
That's what it did. I only know what I kind of Googled, and it said PCM controlled something, something, something.
Okay.
A common deal on these cars after I Googled it. Nothing.
Let's see what this says.
Dead as a doornail. It's hard to beat the mom and pop shops where they go, well, there's all your Nissans over there. Just go look through and find yours. So I gotta match it up. Okay, looks like we may be shit out of luck. Okay, so my man ain't gonna be able to help me completely because, well, that's part of being out in the country. And this is a newer stuff, but time's flying by. I miss the old 350 small block Chevy days. But at least I know for 100% sure that it is out. So I'll just go buy a new OEM one. 350. What are we gonna do, Piston? Look at the camera, dude. Bet you would if we was going fishing. Got him! Got him! That ain't funny, is it? Kicking our ass. 8 hours for an alternator. Woo. Damn it, boy. You did it, babe. You did it. That one was a whopper, guys. I ain't even gonna lie to you. 2011 Nissan Marrero or whatever it's called. Pain in the ass. Good car, though. Now that we got Mrs. Shine's alternator on and she's all ready to go, we got TJ's truck pulled in here. Got the AC taken off, ready to get this brand new air compressor OEM style put on the truck just to find out 5 compressors and $1,000 later, that wasn't even the problem. Wow! Wow! Holy hell. The thing about having a service truck is it seems like it's always in service. And especially when you're friends, you tell them, hey man, if you want to get something reliable, go find you like an 05, 08, 9 LS pickup. That's all you need. That's all you need. It'll make money. But they buy a Mustang with a 5.4 hanging out the hood. Piston, should we help him? What you think? Nah. Appreciate that.
Alright, let's see what we can do in here.
That other one won't even jump it.
Oh, that one should. But it is a Ford. Give it a minute. I'd hate to be broke down in a Ford wearing those shorts. What's up, player? Let me get $1. I know you got $1. And look what he's did to mine. He tore all those off with his big old melon head. It's 102 in Texas today. Both sides. Both sides. Come on, bro. Okay, back down there. Everything's hot. Everything. And the battery. I told you, buyer beware. Buyer beware. That WD-40 will get you. It'll get you. I think a little diesel on a rag goes further and does better though.
We might just have to try that.
Some Cobra Mustang 5.4 for sale, 7,500 cash. Come get it, drive it home. I don't care where you live, it'll make it. It'll make it. There it is. What you talking about, Willis?
The damn thing's about to fly off the damn puller tension.
The damn thing gonna fly off the damn thing off. Let that down there, pull it. Can't hear shit over this diesel. Okay, any thoughts we had of going to the drag strip today? Ooh, just went away. No, it's hot. It is freaking hot out there. 15 minutes trying to help him and it's melting. What you think, Piston? Go home to AC or what? Alright, appreciate your advice. Okay, Piston has spoken. We are headed to the house. Thanks to everybody that's watched the channel, subscribed to the channel, shared the channel. We're not going to be doing no racing on this video. We're going to end it right here, but our next video out, we go out to XRP. We start hitting this thing with some nitrous and making some pretty decent passes. So be sure to check out our next video. It's coming dropping right after this one. So go check out the old video until that one gets done. Thanks again.